If you want to build a survey that feeds directly into a live dashboard, and do it fast, you're in the right place. I've tested all the popular tools out there, and in just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set up a streamlined system using the software I now recommend. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial linked below that you can grab to follow along, only available through my channel. Here's the goal. You create a survey, people fill it out, and you get instant auto-updating results in a clean live dashboard. No exporting, no manual updates, just real-time insights. Start by logging into the software we'll be using, link in the description. Once you're in, create a new form or survey. Keep it simple for now. Name, email, and 1 or 2 custom questions that matter most to you. Use drop-downs, scales, or text fields, depending on what kind of data you want to analyze live. Next, head to the integration section and connect the form responses to a spreadsheet. Think Google Sheets. This step is crucial. It's the bridge between your survey and your live dashboard. Make sure each form entry maps cleanly into the sheet. 1 row per submission, 1 column per question. Once the spreadsheet connection is live, open your dashboard tool. Again, the software we're using makes this part seamless. Import your spreadsheet. Now, here's the magic. As soon as a new survey is submitted, your dashboard updates in real time. Design your dashboard using charts, tables, and response summaries. If you asked for ratings or scores, use bar graphs or average indicators. For open-ended responses, create a live word cloud or comment feed. Make sure your dashboard is set to auto-refresh or live update based on the linked spreadsheet. Test it. Submit a dummy response through your survey, then jump back into the dashboard. You should see the data appear instantly. If not, double-check your integrations or refresh settings. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. The secret to building a survey that feeds into a live dashboard is using the right tools and keeping the flow tight. Survey to spreadsheet to dashboard, all linked and automated. Quick recap. You created a survey, you connected it to a live spreadsheet. You visualized that data with a real-time dashboard. Now you can collect and monitor responses without touching a single CSV file. If you want to skip the tech headaches and use the same setup I showed here, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll save you hours of setup time. That's it. Quick, simple, and live. Grab the free trial below, try it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.